So Python through is a VS Code.
Yeah, you guys see my screen, so fine. So
Yeah.
now actually we are starting with writing something. So why we used VS Code? Anybody can tell me? Anybody? Open your speaker, microphone, no problem. It is interactive class.
To run the code.
Who is code? Especially for JavaScript and TypeScript based code, it is the popular IDE for JavaScript and TypeScript based program, right? Even it is very popular for Python also, but most JavaScript developers means TypeScript, JavaScript, React, front-end developer, they use Node.js, dominatingly, not VS Code. And also the SDET, what we are actually going to learn, we need VS Code for writing our Playwright code, because Playwright code is based on JavaScript or TypeScript based. That's why. That's why we install Node.js and we install VS Code. We install Node.js because so that we can write we can execute our code, and VS Code actually give us an environment where we can write, we can debug, and we can execute our code. Clear? Okay. So now open my VS Code. You guys, everybody see my screen, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So now open it. So for Mac, we can open it like this. I have VS Code right here. I opened. So I have something here. I don't need it. Let me. Ashraf, you are fine? I create one project for you guys.
Yes. I'm fine.
You don't need it now.
Okay.
Actually, I tried to. Okay, we don't need. We will create from the beginning. Don't worry.
Should we open a folder? Like, no, just wait.
Now we can. You don't need to do anything. Just watch what I am doing. We don't need latest update right now. We will do later. Okay, this is the VS Code editor, right? Okay, so to write a code for JavaScript code, you need to create a just simple file. You can do parallel with me. Just open everyone. It would be fine, I think.
Why do you need any, extension for the
No,
VS Code?
you don't need right now.
Open editor, no? Why should you click on it?
You see my screen, right?
Mm-hmm.
Open everyone.
Are you talking? I can hear you.
Now everybody open.
Yes, and then when we are open, right, we should go to the file and what?
We need to create a file.
Create a file. Okay. File.
Press the 3 button here. You guys see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the newer version is like this. So you have to open a folder, it is saying, right? Click on open a folder, because you have to create a project. You get the same thing like me?
Yeah. Yep.
Just
Do it.
now.
Yes.
Okay, so for Mac users, you can create a folder right here. Create a folder, new folder, right? Or if you are Windows background, then before using opening VS Code, go to your any location like how to create a folder. Pick any location and create a folder. Write down SDET course and first project kind of things.
So I need to create. Okay, I go back to.
You got my point? Like this. Go to anywhere in your computer. Then in my case, okay, I'm using Mac, so I'm going to my folder. Then here I can create a new folder called SDET2. And inside SDET2, I can create a subfolder and call it JavaScript tutorial. JS tutorial. Got it?
Just give me one.
Everybody should make this create this folder structure. In Windows, Mac, same thing.
Okay, I create the folder. Then we need to create subfolder.
Yeah, put JS tutorial like a hyphen tutorial. Everybody should do it. If you don't understand, just call me. Yosim, you are understanding. And Atik, where is Atik? He joined or not?
I sent him a text message, but he didn't reply yet.
I can share my screen. So I create one of the folder, and then I subfolder.
You did it where?
Did it?
No, you did already?
No. As SDET2, I create a folder, then click on in a subfolder, then
Inside folder, create another folder. Create a JS tutorial folder inside SDET2 folder.
from here.
Check my yeah, see my screen. The same structure. Follow the same structure.
So I can create another folder, and then
Are you
now
seeing?
I share. Oh, I can share my screen. I think so. Okay, I cannot see you.
Bhaiya, just see my screen. You are seeing?
So
জাস্ট হচ্ছে একটা ফোল্ডারের ভিতরে আরেকটা ফোল্ডার ইউজ মানে করবেন। আমরা প্রথম যে ফোল্ডারটা ক্রিয়েট করছি আপনার হচ্ছে SDET যেটা কোর্স, রাইট? এই ফোল্ডারটা শুধু হচ্ছে SDET কোর্সের যত ক্লাস অথবা প্রজেক্ট হবে ওই ফাইলগুলা ওই ফোল্ডারের মধ্যে থাকবে। দেন হচ্ছে আপনার ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালি কিছু কিছু ফোল্ডার থাকবে। মনে করেন আজকে আমরা করতেছি জাভাস্ক্রিপ্ট, রাইট? ওইটার জন্য একটা ফোল্ডার আপনি বানাবেন। ওই ফোল্ডারের ভিতরে আবার আজকে মনে করেন আপনি একটা পিডিএফ ফাইল করলেন অথবা একটা টেক্সট ফাইল করলেন অথবা একটা পাইথন ফাইল করলেন, সি প্লাস প্লাস করলেন, ওইটা থাকবে হচ্ছে জাভাস্ক্রিপ্ট টিউটোরিয়াল ফোল্ডারের ভিতরে। কিন্তু এই সব কিছুগুলা থাকবে হচ্ছে SDET কোর্সের মধ্যে।
Yeah. So Bhaiya, just check the screen. Make a folder. Share your screen.
Yeah, I already shared my screen already.
We are not seeing. So Bhaiya, you can you create a folder, right? Already SDET does.
Yep.
Open this folder and inside this folder, click your right button, create a new folder called
Yep.
JS tutorial.
Oh. Yes. Okay.
Bhaiya, are you seeing my screen? In screen, I read the name. So just
Okay.
write down this name.
Let me once I have to move from my screen here to there.
Oh, okay. I got it.
Yeah, problem is my height.
Oh, I got it. You have one screen, that's why, right? You did?
No.
Let me know.
Yeah, now I can see it your screen. Okay, let's move back to my screen.
Just see one time, then you will understand. This simple. This is very simple.
yeah, it's simple.
Yeah,
You just
now I
need
got it.
to make two folders. A folder inside a folder.
Exactly. It's okay. The real name everywhere is new.
Yeah.
Success.
Subfolder I did GS tutorial. Okay. Now I got it. Yep.
Okay. Now
Thank you.
open your VS Code again and access this folder, right? Everybody should do it. I am just not showing it. Okay, I'm showing it. Just follow me. Open folder and click on SDET2. Open it. Actually, I made a mistake. Not open it. Sorry. You have to navigate to the
tutorial.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. Again, other okay. Go. Okay. So code, file, open. We are going like a proper way. File. Click on file. Then open folder because we create a folder, right? Open folder. Then navigate to your folder. This one. But yeah, click on it. Then you will see the JavaScript folder, right? Open it. So
Okay,
now,
let's try our end.
hmm?
Let's try our end.
Okay, or share your screen. Or do it. You don't need to share the simple thing. Just open this folder, JS tutorial folder in your VS Code.
So it is giving you a warning. Do you trust the authors of the files in this folder? So trust, right?
If everybody see like this, Ashraf, you should know it.
ভাই আমার আসছে বাট আপনার ওপেন এডিটরস আসেনি
Show me. You can show.
Yeah, mine is not showing open editors. It's just showing.
Share your screen. Let's see. Share. So Bhaiya or Washim, anyone can share. Washim share. Then Bhayan, your problem.
I'm sharing. I shared my screen, and
I'm not. I need to stop share. Okay. Why I can anybody just I can't see. Washim, I can see your screen. I think.
let me just.
No, you need to be no. You have to Twin, you have to stop your sharing. Then you can see.
I did that.
Oh.
I already did.
Let me take a photo and just send it to you in the group. So that's what we are seeing right now.
Which screen is there?
This is my screen.
Oh yeah, I can see your screen here.
You can see?
So yeah, I took a photo and I sent it to you in the.
I can see his screen. That is the problem.
I sent it the SDET group in on WhatsApp.
Oh, I got it. Okay, you are good. First, just close the windows. There is a file open already. Windows, just close that one. Cross mark. You're good.
Okay. So it's showing Explorer and then JS tutorials, right?
Yeah, that is good. No problem. Okay, then Bhaiya, you're good?
Yeah, I'm good. Yep.
So we are
now
who has problem?
No, it's fine. Now we can see your screen, so you should start sharing the screen.
Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. Okay, I did. So we create the folder. Now folder is empty. You guys see my screen, right?
Yes.
So our folder is empty. Is nothing. It could be a Java file. It could be a JavaScript file. It could be a MS Word file in my folder.
Mhm.
So now we put a JavaScript file in my folder. You get clear, right?
Yes.
So to do this, we have to click on this one. You see the file plus,
New
Yes.
files.
click on it. Click on it, then name anything. Just we are putting our first JS, first program. Okay, write down first. Always file name is lowercase. First SDET, first SDET code. SDET code.
Mhm.
Then you have to put a dot for JavaScript code. That is the naming convention. Then put JS. Whenever you put JS, you see the JS already come here. If I put Java, then Java should be come here, but Java is not installed here. Yeah, Java. You see the Java is coming here. Are you seeing?
Yes.
Red gem in Java. And if we put py, you see Python is coming here.
Yes.
That means every programming language has naming convention for its file. So for Java, we write Java
Mm.
like this. For JS, we write JS. For Python, we write py. Right?
Perfect.
For TypeScript, we learn TypeScript too. For TypeScript, we write
UI.
yeah, TY. Yeah, but it is not. It will be coming. We'll solve this issue later in the library maybe. JS. Got it, right?
Yes.
So click it. That means your first JavaScript file is here, right? Now JavaScript file, whatever you write here, JavaScript code, it will be execute here. It will be running here. So first JavaScript code, I'm just not making it complicated because I am teaching Git and GitHub today. That's why make a simple JavaScript code. Just write down your welcome message. You understand what I'm saying? So if you want to print a welcome message, just simple text message, you have to print it. Print it means you have to get the output. Then you have to write down console log. Simple, very simple. Con. And another thing I'm showing you, if you write one letter, two letter, so relative, all those letter will be giving the list. Give you the suggestion which one you need. So we need console. We don't need to type everything. Console.log. That means we want to print something. Console.log. Then convention is you have to put the bracket. Then you have to put the semicolon. Right now we are just following the grammar. Then put double quote or single quote will be working also. Then put hello. Then what? Welcome to SDET course. To the SDET course. Everybody should write it.
Just give me a sec.
Then let me know. If you write, then let me know. Imran and Ashraf.
Done.
Okay, you should done. Ashraf is silent today. He knows those things. Ashraf, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine, but can I enter?
No. Enter doesn't mean anything here. Look, if I put enter. Now, I write a JavaScript code. It is 100% authentic JavaScript code. Now, how can you run it? So to run it, you have to open the terminal. On the top, you see the terminal. Everybody see it?
Yes.
Press on the terminal. New terminal. This terminal should look like this. If you are Windows users, then you should get the PowerShell or command prompt. What you are seeing? You see the same thing what I am seeing?
No, the window is different. Like PowerShell, C, SDET to GSDTL. Then
Who can share? Kindly share your.
okay, I'm sharing. Yep. You got it? Yeah.
I need to.
This is-
Today I have actually little problem to see other people's skin. I don't know why, but it is.
Yeah, I already shared some. I think other people see it.
Yes, we can see it.
I can.
Yeah, like PSC SDET code. Yeah.
Why I'm not seeing that? I need to find it out. That is the problem.
So in that case,
No. Okay, but hold on. Why I'm not seeing your screen? Let me find it out first. That is important. The first time I saw, now I'm not seeing. One participant can share it down. Okay. So let me see. Just hold on one second. One person can share multiple host and all participants. It's not okay. But stop share and try again. Let's see.
okay, sure. Stop share and try again. Okay, let's try.
Yeah, now good. Okay, so fine. So console log, yeah, you are good. You are good. So that is your terminal. PS means go fast. That is PS, right?
Hmm.
PS means what? Anybody can say, Windows users?
PowerShell.
PowerShell, right? So I am using terminal, and because it is Mac, that's why. And for you, it is actually open PowerShell, because you see on the top, PowerShell also is written there in the terminal next to ports, then next to PowerShell. You see, so your terminal is PowerShell. My terminal is maybe Bash, I think, and Windows users mostly PowerShell, and Mac users mostly Bash, then JSA, this kind of things, right? Okay, you can stop sharing, no problem.
Okay.
So
Okay.
my question is that after we write the code, right? What do we have to do in the terminal?
After writing the code, what?
So what do we have to do after writing the code?
I'm showing it. Don't worry.
Yeah. Hello, welcome to SDET course, right? And
Yeah.
then you said something about terminal.
Exactly. So you open the terminal, right?
Yeah, I opened terminal.
Okay.
Now.
So now I'm showing we are what? We are actually going to run this code, right? We have to run it the proper way. So run means, you remember we install Node.js, right? Node.js is the runner of JavaScript code. So if you want to run JavaScript code using command, so you must have to have Node.js. So write down Node, N-O-D, then what is your file name? Write down your file name. Fast, F-I-R-S-T, fast, SDET, C-O-D.js. You see? Everybody got the answer?
But is it easy way? Can you we
There is no easy way.
copy paste? No.
Oh, okay. Now, don't try to do any easy way right now, because
Okay.
those things are very important, because you have to type your name, file name. But you can easily copy and paste. If you I'm showing you. If you want to copy the file name, go to the file name, right click on it. You know that. Then somewhere there should be rename, or double click on it. Or sorry, I'm wrong place here. Rename. You see. Where is rename? Then copy it. You understand? Copy it, then paste it. Like this. Now I copied, right? Node, then paste. Same thing. Even you don't put .js after the file name. Wasim, you are clear, right?
But
Yes.
I don't know when I'm not console.log doesn't print anything from my end.
You put the same command.
Yeah, like a node space fast SDET
I think there is a spelling mistake. Can you check the spelling?
FIRSTSDD.
We just do it. Node.
Are you in the right folder? You have to have in the right folder. Right folder means JS tutorial folder. You see here JS tutorial, and we are in the JS tutorial folder.
Oh, okay. I missed that part. So before Node.js, I need to write it down, the
Okay.
folder name, no?
Share your screen. Share your screen. No, not folder. No. Share your screen.
Replace current share. Okay.
That is very basic things. You have to understand that. Then you'll never forget. Go share your screen.
Yep. You see, this is my screen.
I'm not seeing sharing is a problem today.
Stop sharing and I will again.
I don't know what happened today.
Yeah.
It's showing me
then-
some error. Some modules.
Yeah, you are good. Yeah.
Now you can see it, no?
I see. Okay, fine. Your mistake is here. Wait, don't do anything. JS tutorial. No, you are fine. JS tutorial. Yeah, you are in good place. What happened?
Node space fast SD. Let me copy paste again. Rename. Copy.
Everybody else got the output?
Is code.
No.
জি ভাই
Okay. So ভাইয়া নোট লিখতে হবে, আগে নোট লিখতে হবে।
Oh,
Ashraf, you are good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Put the file name and enter. Okay. Read it.
fast SDET code JS. The term fast code JS is not recognized as the name of the CMD function script file and of problem program. Check the spelling. If a path was included, verify that. Try again.
Go down. Okay.
Node FIRS JS. Space is a one space here. Just why not? Sure.
No, that is okay. Okay, so close the file. There is a white wall on top, right? Go there.
Here, okay.
Close it. Let's see what happened. Save
Don't
it.
see.
Save
Oh,
it.
see.
Save it. Okay. Now double click your file. Click on your file, the program file, the Node.js. Yeah. Click. Okay. Why it is opening? Okay, that is fine.
Hello, welcome to the.
You're good. So, I don't know what happened. Try again. It looks like your node is not updated. Okay, node. Yeah, that is a issue we got. We need to solve it. Then we'll understand. So, okay. So, for my understanding, your node is not updated. Okay, put JS. Okay. Enter.
Yeah.
You got it.
Oh, now I got it. But why it doesn't show that time?
Right. Okay. So hold on here. Right clear in the terminal. Right clear.
Clear.
Yeah. Okay. Enter. Okay. Fine. Now write the command again or put your arrow up and down. You don't need to.
Okay.
You don't need to write. Everybody know, right? Arrow up and down means whatever code you write already, those things actually you can reuse. So yeah, Baya, you are good, right?
Yeah, I got it. Yep.
Okay, now let me share my screen.
Thank you.
No problem.
Mine is not working.
Yours is
Sorry.
working?
No, mine is not working.
Okay, share your screen.
Let me share my screen real quick. So this is the VS Code.
Okay. Hold on. You are in JS tutorial folder, Node.js, fine. So what terminal you're using PowerShell? So VS Code. Yeah, same thing. Close it. Close the program first. Program on the white dot ball.
Right there?
Right side. Yeah. No, on the right panel.
Okay, here?
No, on top. Yeah, just no, not here. The JavaScript file. Close the JavaScript file. On
This file?
no other side, the right panel.
Yes.
Yeah, go top. There is a white wall in the JavaScript file. No,
I can't see it.
no. Panel.
The Windows, the editor you are writing the
No,
console.log,
right here.
right? Console.log, go there, and
This one.
the Windows.
Okay, I can't see it because okay.
Yeah, this file. Close this file.
Okay, close this file. Okay, here.
Yeah, make it bigger. Save it.
Mhm.
Okay, make your screen big. Okay. Now open your JavaScript file again. Click on it. Click on
This
it.
one?
Down.
This
Yeah, click on it. Okay, fine. Put a semicolon at the last line. It is optional though, but yeah, semicolon after the bracket. After the bracket.
After the bracket, okay. Here.
Yeah. Okay. Semicolon is clone. Yeah, semicolon, right? You put. Okay.
Yeah.
Now go to close your terminal. Sometimes this happen. Close your terminal. Open a terminal again. Close the terminal. The close button on the right
Okay.
side. No. It's not terminal.
This one.
No. Make it bigger.
Mhm.
Okay, go down. Inside the
Terminal.
terminal panel. Yeah, it's terminal panel. So go to right side. Yeah, close it. Okay, open terminal again. Go to file. Or
Oh my
on top there is a terminal. You see terminal.
Yes.
Click on terminal. Run. No, terminal. Click on terminal.
Yeah, because it's showing me something else here. Terminal. And then run.
No, new terminal.
Run new
No.
terminal.
On the top one.
Oh, new terminal. Okay.
Yeah. Click on it. Make it
Mhm.
bigger. Then wait. What is happening here? You see? So you are not. Yeah. Takes time and you are in the right folder. Okay. Now write note. Note. NOD.
Space.
Space.
First instant code.
Yeah. Exactly same now. Should be.
JS, right?
Yes is optional. Yeah. Put it. You see?
Okay.
You got it?
Yes, I got it. Thank you.
So if you guys get this type of issue, keep in mind there could be loading issue. Your file didn't load, then you made some other mistake, I don't know, or maybe your terminal is not working properly. Just close it, open it, and save the file. That will be working. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now I'm sharing my screen.
Yes, please. Thank you.
No problem. So now at least you guys know how to run the JavaScript code, right? And how to write a JavaScript code. So I will strongly actually recommend, go to Google in the upcoming week until our next class. Try to learn little bit JavaScript code. We don't need much, but in chat GPT, go open your chat GPT, just write, okay, very basic JavaScript code, right? Then copy this code, don't need to understand nothing, copy this code, put in your, create a file, put this code inside a file and execute this file, right? Try to run it and get used to the code, not the logic right now, okay?
Okay.
So you know how to run it, you know how to create a JavaScript file, so just you can do it. Okay, so the reason we actually create this file is not for learning JavaScript today. We created it for learning Git. You understand my point, right? So everybody, you also, I hope you guys see the screen too.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yeah, we can.
everybody say carefully, because the purpose of learning not JavaScript today, purpose is different thing. Okay, here I am I found that one is very helpful. Let's see, it will be working good or not. How to open it? Open, okay, let's see. No, the view should be working. So, okay, got it. Something happened. Yeah. Okay. I actually opened it for writing some diagram. So we will learn GitHub and Git here. Open it. And it is very important. So what is the relation of Git and GitHub? Git and GitHub. Both are different things. Name is similar. People misunderstood. People think both are same or both are same company, something else, right? But it's totally different thing. Here could be GitHub. Here could be GitLab. Different company use different thing, but 90% company use GitHub these days because of lots of additional facilities. GitLab. Then another is most popular, Git bucket. Git bucket. C-K it is. Yeah. I think caps. Okay, whatever. So in my whole life, I actually use these three things. Some company use GitLab, most company use GitHub, and MasterCard actually used Git bucket. You guys understand, but everybody has to have used Git. Right? So Git is open source, something different than this one. I will show you right now. But okay, and briefly, I can tell you like this. Git is your local machines. It is in your local machine, and these things kind of repository is kind of globally you are saving something or globally you are putting something like this. Okay, if I go to diagram, then you will understand. Suppose how many people are here today? Like 7, we are 7, right? So 7 people in a same group. We all are SDET as an example. Can I find a better one? I thought it's a very good one. Let me take one second. Stop. Yeah, I think no. What the heck? Just give me 1 minute. Let me. Oh, okay. I have pencil. I think it will be working. Yeah, got it. Okay, fine. I found how to. Okay, so now this is me. This is suppose Ashraf. This is Shomik. This is Imran. This is Baya and Washing. Okay? All are SDET. Yes. So all are SDET or developer, whatever, who are working, right? So all are working in the same project, right? Our project is P1. Suppose P1 is our project. Everybody is working on this project. P3. Try to understand clearly. If you have any question, just ask me. P4. P5. P6. Got it?
Yes.
So you all are working in the same project, same file, and at the end of the day, or whenever you finish your task, what you do, save in your local computer. Everybody save in your local computer. This is the local computer. Local computer. So suppose I actually add couple of lines of program. P2, he added new file. Everybody work on their responsibility task and they added in the same project. Now tell me, this project is sync up. Tomorrow, if I go to office and if I open my computer, what I will see? The task I wrote, right, and saved in my computer. Can I see Washim's, suppose, who is this? Ashraf's task here in my computer, in my project? Can I see his task? No. Just think it like this. This is a one project. This is one project because it is a project. It has a folder and it has a file. It is a project. Right now, I am writing, suppose I am in the office, I am writing my code here. I'm just copy it and I paste it. And I write, instead of this, I just remove it. I write name, just adding one line in the same file. Name equals to him. Okay. Now, if I run it, I see it. My name is Tuhin. Hello, welcome to SDET course, and name is Tuhin. Now my question. So if you guys run the same command without writing, my name is Tuhin because I am writing it. You guys know. So what you will see? You understand my question?
Yes.
I write mine, I add it. So now you guys don't add anything, nothing. If you run the code, you will see only hello, welcome to the SDET course, right?
Yes.
Because you guys don't have my code. This additional line of code you don't have.
Yes.
Same thing. If Wasim writes something like hundreds lines of code, or he adds something in this file, we will not see it. That means I added something, Wasim added something, Bhai added something, nobody will see anybody's things, right?
Yes.
And nobody will sync up. So in our real life, we have to have sync up with the same project, same repository, same content, because otherwise it will be mismatch. So project should be always up to date and sync up to everyone. If I see these things, he has to see it. Everybody's code is accessible to everyone because all are the same group and working on the same project. So in that case, the technology is we maintain a centralized repository. It is in the cloud. You guys know the cloud, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
So this cloud is just think it's a server. Just think it's a server. It can set the file. So this cloud, this server is called GitHub.
Mm.
This is called GitHub. You guys understand?
Yes.
Okay. This is called GitHub. Now, why GitHub is so important? Because it is a centralized location. So that means after finishing my work today, if I push my code, push means upload, like upload. If I push my code here is our same project, P. So if I push my code here, then it will be added with my centralized repositories project, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then if Ashraf push it, it was also in there, in the same P. If Bhaiya push, it will be there. If Washim put, it was there. Then Shomik push, it was there. Then if Imran push, his code will be there. Now, all code are added with my main project, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, tomorrow I will go to office. Then what I have to do? I have to copy this project. Copy means what? Is not copy, is not download. I have to clone it. I already clone it. I have to download. I have to download all the changes it has already, because all the changes are added. This one added, everybody changes are added. Now, tomorrow I came to the office. like tomorrow's, I'm saying tomorrow. Here is my computer. If I download it, download means pull the code, whole code pull. It's called git pull. If I pull, then I get all the new code, all the changes. Whoever write anything, I will get it, right? Including my code. You understand? Everybody understand?
Yes.
Then same thing, you have to do it. Suppose washing, you have to come to office, then pull it. If you pull, you will get the latest version.
Latest version with
now
everything.
my one and your one is same. Then Imran pull, you will get the latest version. Then everybody has to pull and everybody has to work. And same thing repeated. Then whenever I finish my task, I have to push it, right? Same thing is repeatable. So guys, you are clear. The very basic thing.
Yeah, it's very big.
So who is not clear? Tell me. Bhaiya, you are clear?
Yeah.
Imran, you should, right? Then Ashraf, you should. Ashraf, you are clear, right?
Yes.
Okay.
জি ভাই, clear.
Okay. Then if you remember this concept, I will show you in the real Git, how can we do it, and then it will be understandable. So make it sync up. Now everybody have the same line of code and same thing, same project, same thing, and same code. So I want to push it GitHub so that everybody can use the same project. So how can you do it? So to do it, I have to create a project in GitHub. And inside GitHub, I have to push it. This is the first step. So here my project name is what? JS tutorial, right? Something like that, JS tutorial. How can I see the project? Look, JS tutorial. We are in the project, right? JS tutorial. This folder structure is JS tutorial. So I have to create a project. It's called repository actually in the GitHub. You understand? Copy this name. Go to GitHub. And this GitHub.
Can we do it or we just?
No.
Just watch.
Just watch. Important. Then you can do it by yourself. Go to GitHub and sign in. I already here. Then I sign in. You guys have the same GitHub, but I am adding a project right now. The first things I have to what? Suppose I am the project manager, so or I am the lead of SDET. So I am creating the automation framework. The first task, what I have to do? The first task I have to do, I have to create a project in my local first. This is local machine. Like I create a project, Java tutorial, and I know that I am not the only person working here. Here, lots of people will be working. That's why I have to create a Git repository for this project so that everybody can sync up with their task. So here I have to create a repository. Create a new repository here. So you saw what I did, right? But that is one-time effort. You guys don't need to do it, but must you have to learn it. So create the plus here, then new repository. Then under your company name, here it should be your company name. Here it is if solution I put it, but in your real life, this is your company name, owner. So put the same name. I just copy and paste. You guys understand what I did? Just I just copy the name. I just put the name. Okay. Now press create repository. Create a repository. So your repository is created. In your office, whenever you go to office, you will get the GitHub link, and everybody say, and your supervisor will say that is your repository. Clone the code and start working on it. So the repository is not ready yet, but repository, yeah, you see the repository is here, right? In your company name under, you will see the repository. So now what you have to do? You have to go to your local machine because you have to push the code, right? So you have to go to your local machine. Now there is some rule. First rule, check this folder is Git enabled or not. How can you check it? Like Git status. You can write it down or you can watch video. Then I think I will prefer watch it now. Then whenever you see the video, you can repeat by yourself. Okay. Git status. If you put the Git status, you will check. You will see this folder is Git enabled or Git is installed in your computer or not. Press enter. Okay. What is saying? Not a Git repository. Though I have Git installed in my computer. I have Git in my computer. But this folder, when we create this folder here, you remember when we create the folder like this, we just create, we normally just create a folder, right? But it is not Git enable folder. Git enable folder means you have to install. Just simple. I'm just using very simple term. That's why everybody will understand. I'm saying install. Install is not the correct word, but I'm saying so that you will understand. So I have to install this Git in my folder. The folder I created, JS tutorial. The Git have to have installed in this folder. Otherwise, you can do anything with Git. Like Git commands are not recognizable in this folder. Everybody understand? Now Git is not recognizable in this JS tutorial folder. But what I have to do, I have to install Git in this folder. Then this folder will know all Git commands. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So to that, what I have to do, I have to just write down one command. It's called Git in it. In it means install Git in my folder. Where? JS tutorial. This is JS tutorial is my folder. I am writing Git in it. Means install Git in my JS tutorial. Who didn't understand? Everybody should understand.
Yeah.
Clear, right?
Mhm.
So enter. Look what it is saying. Initialize empty Git repository. That means your folder is Git enabled right now. You see the .git and automatically, if you see, you automatically create a branch. It's called branch. Till now, we have only folder. There is no branch. Branch is a virtual thing. Whenever Git is installed, two things happen. It is saying .git. It's fine. .git.
Twin bhai,
Yeah.
can you increase your font size and is very small text?
Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
How can I
Make it 100%. Yeah. It's maybe six.
It is 100% already, but let me try. Hold on.
You have to use VS Code preference.
Yeah, I know. No, I don't need VS Code. Just I put plus and minus is fine. You see, it's bigger now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Much better.
Yeah. So Git init that install. It's wrong word, but I'm saying install so that everybody understand. So whenever I write Git init, it install Git in my folder. Before, this folder doesn't have Git, and automatically I saw a branch. I will tell you what is branch. Then if you write Git status right now, because whenever I write Git status before like this, what we see? Not a Git repository, right? Now I wrote Git init. Now write Git status, you will see the change. You see? Now what is saying? Try to understand line by line. It is so important. Then everything will be clear in your real life. It is saying on branch main. What is on branch main? I am showing you in the here. I wrote something right here. Okay, on branch means here. So that was my JS folder in my local, right? JS tutorial. Okay, whatever, tutorial, okay. So it didn't have Git, but whenever I write Git Git init stuff, Git. Then here in this folder, .git is created. .git is a nothing. We can see it. It is a hidden and virtual kind of thing. That means this folder is enabled to Git, right? Git can work on this folder, or you can work with Git. And on top of this, it created branch. Branch means inside your folder, it is copy everything virtually and make a folder, just not a folder, it is actually branch. Now to understand, think like this, it create a folder, actually call it branch. Write it down so that you can understand, or later you will understand when you see the tutorial. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. It called branch, and it gave the name of this branch. It's called main. Is main branch. We can create thousands of branches from the same folder, same repository. Main, M-A-I-N, main. You guys clear? That is a folder. It has our file and everything, but it was not Git enabled. That's why we install Git. Whenever we install Git in our folder, then Git creates some virtual things. One is .git, that means Git is enabled right now, and automatically by default it creates another copy of my program, my files. It is not a folder. It create a branch, and this branch name is main. That is not a folder. That is a branch. Understand that it is virtual. It is not physical. It is a virtual. Okay. It sounds little bit complex right now. You will understand when you see that. But you get the logic here, right? That is real, and this is virtual, right? Who didn't understand? Okay, I'm showing the program right now. Then you will understand. Okay. Till now, everybody understand? Git status.
Yes.
If no Git is there, then if you put Git status, I'm going through this line. So to understand this line, you have to understand this diagram. So whenever I write Git init, so Git is installed in my folder right here. And what it is saying, the Git repository in user reajuttuhin SDET etc. Look, .git is in my folder. Very good. And it's saying on branch main. What I'm saying, it create a virtual branch is called main. It's nothing. The same folder is just naming, virtual naming. So whenever it say on branch main, automatically I am in the main branch. Whenever you see this main, it is main branch. It is what it is saying. JS tutorial. Look, JS tutorial here. If you drag on it, yeah, JS tutorial, Git, then hyphen main. Main means a branch, virtual branch. You understand till now? Main is nothing but a virtual branch. Virtual branch means same thing. It's just name. We are just putting the name. Got it or not got?
Yep.
Okay. If you get okay, I got yes. Here is some issue. So this is my folder. Here is everything. My files, everything. I install Git. Now just think like this. Whenever install Git, Git automatically create a main branch and copy everything in what I have. This is folder. I can Git create main, but I can create a lots of branches. That means I'm just copying whatever I have in the folder. I am just putting those things in the branches, virtual branches. This is the naming convention. Nothing is changed. The main is nothing. Main is just a name. I just take everything, whatever I have in the folder, and put in the main folder. But this main folder is not real, it is a virtual.
Mhm.
Okay. So now what it is saying is create a branch. It creates a branch main and untrack files. What is untrack files? Because I install Git in my folder, not in the file, in the folder, right? Now Git is checking what inside the file. Git check, there is a file called fast SDET code.js in my folder. You understand? This Git is now active. .git is active. So .git actually in my folder. Now it check in my folder there is a file. It's called fast SDET code. You understand? That is very clear, straightforward, right?
Yeah.
So untrack means what? Untrack means Git say there is a file in the folder. I don't know this file, but there is a file. I want to track it. You understand? I want to track. If Git can track, then the changes will be not visible. The Git can handle the changes or all that stuff. So Git wants to track it. Who didn't understand? So Git is asking, Jay, there is a file in the folder, but I don't know this file, but I want to track it. Got it?
Yes.
Baya, got it. You need these things every day in your work, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ashraf,
Yes, yes.
you're clear?
Yeah.
Okay. And who was there? Yeah, Imran?
Got it.
Got it. Good. So this file needs to Git wants to track this file. So you have to write a command so that Git can track it. So already suggested here. So Git is asking you to add this file to Git repository. Git add file. So what you can do, just write Git. Then in shortcut, you can write add, then one space, then one dot. If you write down these things, then all untrackable file will be added. If you add a single file, you can just write down like this, copy this file, add this and add it. So I prefer dot is fine. So if you have multiple file, it will be added. If you have one file, it's still added. So put dot, enter. So now write Git status. What it is saying, you see, now color is changed. Before it was saying untrackable file. Now it is saying it's tracked already because it is not saying untrackable file. Whenever it is green, that means it's tracked. Git now know this file. Git knows it, right? Now it is asking to you change to be committed. Whatever. One step is added. You add it. All those files are added in the Git, but it is not committed. Committed means just think one step ahead. Committed means you are totally committed to give this file to Git, right? Just think like this. You add it, then Git asks you, it is not committed. Are you really permanently want to give this file to me? Kind of this, right? So you need to be commit. So where? Then there is a command. Already the good thing is Git always give you the command, but it is not good. So don't follow always. So now you need to commit. So you have to write Git.
Yes.
Huh? Tell me where, tell.
No. I'm just copied.
No, it's okay. It is interactive. Of course, you need to practice. Everyone has to practice.
Yeah, Git space RM space dash dash.
No, but you have to write commit, right? First.
Oh.
Git commit. Ashraf, tell me. Okay, let me experience guy. Oh, he's just hidden. Ashraf, tell or Imran, tell me.
Yeah, git commit, then the file name.
No, Git commit.
Git commit, then text, description.
Excuse me. That is the main things you have to do every day.
Git commit, then dash dash.
What is dash dash? Ashraf, without okay, fine. those things should be like, how can I, this is like
Git Git
your
command is saving.
you're like not breakfast, your dinner, lunch, everything you have to. Okay, git commit means git commit dash m, that is the basic command, m. Then
Yeah.
you have to write down what you are committing. Just normally we just put the meaningful thing. We committed a new file, we committed the file name, this kind of things. Today we are not doing anything, just I write added a new file, or just write
Yeah.
first commit. Okay, it is more meaningful. First commit, or normally we write initial commit, initial commit. And here you can write more there what you did. We actually added this file here, this file, fast code SDET code.js file. So these things we can write what initial commit added a, or added, give the file name, added fast, fast, fast
Fast file.
yeah, code.js. These things is just description, nothing. It will be showing in the commit. Okay, press enter. Okay, now go to the line. What is it saying? Initial commit add eto, fine, one file changed, eto instruction, create the node, eto. It is just Git language, we don't need to understand. Just we have to understand our initial commit is successful. You understand how can you know it the commit is good? Whenever you get the whenever you don't get any error message, whenever you get this type of message, one file changed, these things, that means your commit is fine. If commit is not fine, you will get the error. And another way to check it, git status. Git status, look, normally we check like this, git status. If you put the git status, it is saying nothing to commit, working tree clean. You understand? Everybody understand until then?
Now, Twin, I have a quick
Yes.
question with the line initial commit, and just one more time, just for my clearance.
Okay.
Initial commit, yeah.
So
Commit part, the commit part.
okay,
only.
commit. Oh, initial commit. Okay, here.
The initial commit, yeah. So
Here.
the rules, yeah.
Commit one is here. Yeah. You understand this one, right?
Yeah, no. I need to explain a little bit this line here. So basically, if you want to commit something, so they say git commit, then minus m.
Yeah.
And then minus m means is a
Forget about this. Minus m is a parameter. There are kind of parameters. So m is we have to use m. Just think like this. This is the final comment. You don't need other parameter, not that much. Even you don't need in your life.
Okay.
And if you need beside this parameter, just Google it. You will get it, but don't need, because did you need any parameter with commit beside m? No, nobody. I did. I need couple of times. Maybe Ashraf you didn't, right? So that is the commit comment. First git, then commit, then m, then description what you are committing. Okay.
So it's stored in local Git repository.
Don't tell anything, Ashraf. Don't tell anything right now. No, what
Okay.
I'm telling you, what it is happening here. So
Okay.
but you guys understand. You guys understand here from the beginning.
Yeah, that we understand. Yeah, that's the clear.
You need
only the commit part is little bit
commit is
confusing.
okay. Think like this, where whenever you have file in your folder, there is no Git, right? So when you initialize Git, that means you install Git in your folder, then Git actually tracking all those files in this folder, right? So Git tracked and Git find a file, the JS file, and it actually asking you, there is a file, untrackable file, I want to track it. You give the permission, you add it. You add means you give the permission to Git to add this file. Okay, fine. Track this file, tracked it, fast track. Then Git is saying, okay, this file I track, but do you want to commit it? I am taking this file, kind of this type of question, right?
Just the reconfirmation.
Yeah. Yeah, reconfirmation. Yeah, kind of. Then you reconfirm it. Then Git took your file, right? Now it is saying there is no file, commit is clear. So until these things we did it in your local, still we are in the same folder in the local here. We are still in here, right? We just make setup. We just make setup so that we can push it to GitHub. So to do those things, to push our code, like here, we are still in here in our local machine. I didn't.
Yeah.
So I just make this setup to Git setup. Without this setup, I can push this code in the GitHub. That's why we did this kind of thing. Now, you remember, so what is our goal here? Tell me.
Goal is, yes,
So you
Goal
push
is to push this code, push our project
push to new code
to
from local machine to
so
the
everyone can have an access to the new code.
push this code or push our project. Till now, the main project is my computer. So goal is to push this code or project in centralized location called GitHub here, right?
Yes.
That is the goal. So I already create the folder. You remember, it's called repository. I already created it right here, right? You see. So I have to push my code in this repository. So look, whenever Git create a repository, it give you all those comments. How can you push your code to the repository? So the first code till now you have to do until this is one-time effort. Remember, sorry, these lines are one-time effort. These lines. So here, if you go, we set up in our local Git install, then we track the file, then we commit the file. So our project is ready to push to GitHub. And then we already create the project here in GitHub so that we can push our code here. So that means in a diagram here. So JS tutorial, I create this repo. JS tutorial means this one. This JS tutorial means this one. JS tutorial. It is still empty, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is empty. It's still empty, but this JS tutorial has all those code and all those things. So I will push these things here. So now there is a command already GitHub gave us. What is it saying? Push an existing repository from the command line. Push the existing repository means what? Existing repository means I already create. That's why it is existing, right?
Yeah.
So it's a Git push the existing repository from the command line. So you have to copy this line. So Git remote add origin, whatever is written. Yeah, look. The path. That means okay, whatever. No, I'm just kidding. So it actually the path of this file, this repository, path of this repository. So you have to tell Git right now, Git, the remote. Remote means dure, right? Git, I'm talking to Git. The Git remote. This is remote. So Git remote add this folder, remote folder, and location. The simple command. I just asking Git, the remote, there is a folder in remote, add this folder, and origin means the location of this folder is this. You understand? Okay, then copy it. Copy it. Copy it, then enter. Oh, sorry, paste it, enter. Till now we were in the local. Now I am introducing the remote repository to my Git. So enter it. Okay, no error. That means good. It recognized. Then go to Git again. The second line. Okay, now folder to folder matching. Now I am that line is optional, but it's good to actually is good. you can create it manually, but I prefer always do it because you are in the main branch. Now introduce your remote branch also. So we are in the main branch. So in GitHub, I am actually creating another branch for this folder. This is a repository. I introduced this repository in my local Git. Now I am creating the branch, main branch, because in my local, there is a main branch. So I am creating a main branch also here. So it's just one line command. Git branch main. Okay. So that folder has main branch right now, this one, but no code because I didn't push anything. Now look, you have to push it. Git push. Git push means now Git, my local Git know the remote folder, and my local Git also know the remote folder's branch is main. Then everything is ready. Now just you need to push it. Now Git push origin main. So this command means Git, I'm asking Git push you, whatever, everything, whatever I have right now in my folder, push origin means the do remote. So origin main origin. Origin main means remote main. Here in this repository, we already create a main branch. So Git is asking push all code to origin main to here. So how? Just copy it. These things is so important. If you guys understand today, then if you watch the video a couple of times, you are clear. Then if you do some Googling things, those stuff, you will be master of Git. But there are lots of Git stuff. I will go, in next class. But if you understand till now, you are good. Okay, then you have to go to here. Right now I have to write down Git push. I'm asking Git to push my code to origin main. Okay, enter. You see what is saying? Eto tutorial Git push eto main. Permission of Git J tutorial denied to Riyajut Tuhin 79. Unable to access Git eto. Okay, fine. Because what is saying, my VS code is actually configured with my official GitHub. So in that case, I can use that one. Let change it. Let me connect with my that GitHub. Just give me 1 second. Log out. Sign out. Because I have another GIF here. So not this one. This one. Sign in. Okay. That is my GitHub. I use it personal for personal things. Okay, now the repository we didn't have here. So let me create that repository. The same thing. Just create the repository here. What was the name of the repository?
Yes, tutorial.
Yes, tutorial. Yes, tutorial. Okay, create the repository. Okay, fair. Just I need to change this line because that is defined address, right? You understand my point?
Yeah.
Because the previous one is defined GitHub. Now I create the repository in defined location. So create this one. Actually, copy this one, paste it here. Okay. Why it is saying Git remote add origin at. Oh, fine. Remote origin will already exist. Yeah, good. I'm sorry. Because this line I don't need here now because my remote here is already exist. So I just need that one. Just write it, then you will understand. Yeah. And the other comment. Okay, before writing it, I'm saying why I need it. If you don't create this repository manually, then you have to add this line. So this line will be adding automatically. If you add this line here, then you don't need to create the repository here. We create manually, we don't need to create. This line actually create the repository in the GitHub. You understand? So now I need to push it. Git push. Still is showing error because of something. Let's fix it first. But that is the command, but we have to fix it. Let me.
Yeah, I'll be back only 2 minutes. Just play again.
Okay, so in the meantime, but the thing is, if we don't get this error, so code would be there on the repository. But unfortunately, we are getting error, but we have to fix.
Yeah. So first we need to go to GitHub and create a new repository and copy the JS stuff, right? Like the JS code.
Exactly. So
And then
it is happening because unable to access
tutorial.
GitHub if solution. I see. What is happening now? You see, this is already connected with my previous GitHub if solution. Now we are trying to push in the new one. So in that case, how can I do it? Follow the link. Access. It is not accessible. So in that case, I have to. Okay. So I am just showing you another good things. If you get this kind of issue, now every company is recommended to use what Google or Copilot. So VS Code has a Copilot things. Everybody who are working must see it.
Yes.
We can solve by ourselves. Something here I don't have, right? It should be VS Code here. We need to disconnect from our previous GitHub. So you can go with anywhere, just write down. Okay, Google it. Permission repository denied URL ato. So username ato to password ato. Remove permission ato fatal ato. Yeah. So how can you solve it? Git remote set ato URL ato. Copilot is better. Or try to find the simple. It should be very simple command. We have to disconnect it. Hold on, we have to fix it. But if you want to go, you can leave. But these things you understand, right? Till now, just here we are getting an issue because our Git actually, sorry, our repository is in defined GitHub. That's why it is 403 error. It is in my computer, I am getting error. You guys will not get error. If you guys try, you will not get error. You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah. So here I need to fix it because otherwise my Git will be messed up.
Record this session also, so we know how to fix this.
If you guys do it in your computer, you will not get the error. I am getting this error. Let's see. Back to the previous one. because two GitHub is always problematic in your computer, because whenever you install VS Code is configured with your GitHub. That's why it's happening. Ah, I got it. There should be something. So, let's see. Now sign in with new one. Okay, it already has.
I think you can change the repository name, rename it.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is authentication issue 403.
Yeah. It is authentication. Remote project. Okay. Make it from the beginning. Now we are not creating here anything. Let's see. Without creating here, we actually use that line. Let's see it is creating or not. Remote add GitHub. Not this one. Okay. It's always actually taking my previous one. That is the problem. Okay. So in that case, I can do one thing. Let's see it will be working or not. I can copy this one. It is always and okay. How come its origin exists? I don't understand. Push delay. It's authentication issue. You guys can try in your computer. Try it. Anybody open it? I have to fix it. Authentication. Anybody can share? Wasim, Bhaiya have to go, right?
I can share.
Okay, you
Yeah,
can
so
share.
just
Yeah.
do it from right from the beginning so I can see that too. I will write down the steps and everything too.
Okay, fine. No, so in your computer, you will not get this issue. I am getting because I signed in to GitHub. That's why. But I
Yeah,
can fix it. Let Bhaiya share your screen.
please do it right from the beginning so I can just write down the
1
steps.
second. Replace the current sheet.
Now we need to continue Git. Lots of more comments in upcoming class. Next class. It's so important. Okay, share.
Yeah, I already shared. Did you see it? No.
It takes time little bit. I saw.
Maybe again it stopped. Last time it happened, it stopped and
Yeah, it's done.
yep. Now it's okay. Yeah.
Okay. So in your tutorial, write Git status. Git Git status. Enter. So you don't have Git. So write Git init. The term Git is not recognized. You don't have actually install Git in your computer. You understand?
I can share my screen.
Yeah, Ashraf can share. So I need someone who has Git. Or we have just, yeah, share your screen, Ashraf.
Okay.
You have to install your Git. I will show you how to. Can you do it? But I thought you have a Git installed in your computer.
Yeah, I have Git. Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay, share it.
Uh, Okay, right here.
In the okay, share and show it. Ashraf, in the meantime, let me fix it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So,
Go to your terminal. Yeah, here.
okay, let me create a file.
No, you don't need to create file. The file we have already, just do it.
Okay.
Yeah, go to this project.
JS tutorial, right?
Yeah, show what I did. Just it's kind of your test. Just show them what I did.
Okay. Let me. Yeah, I did not, this is the empty in my. Okay. Let me create a file. What's the file name? Fast code, fast SDET code, right? fast SDET, fast SDET code dot JS.
I'm fixing it. Ashraf, just do it. Yeah, I got it. Origin face and push. Okay. Git push to origin main. Okay, I think we're good, Ashraf.
Okay.
Okay. I have to just configure it a little bit. Yeah, stop sharing.
Okay.
I think we're good. You guys see, right?
No.
Yeah.
You guys see now?
Oh, now see it. Yeah. Mhm.
Okay, now I need, okay, here the issue is git remote v. So GitHub if solution, then J, I need to face it. One thing, and I will be give my email address and password, might be. Let's see what happened. Git push origin. Okay, set remote. I need the fast one. Sometimes, okay, these will be fine. Let's see, I need just one line extra comment here because we got the issue here. Okay, got it. So let's see. I hope push will be working. I'll just get what I did. Um, Nothing is there. So if I try to push, what will happen? Git push. Perfect. I'm sure now. System. Already. This issue is solved, but now document. Some of file is not getting here. We need to solve. I see. Still it is going. Oh, you see where it is going? We are checking in the wrong Git. It is going where? My default one. That's why.
Dif-
Readjust to in that one. It is not going to if solution. That's why. So if you check it, that's why I'm confused. What is it is going? So sign up from here. So that's why don't connect to GitHub in your when you are working on it. So that is it is going there. Yeah, here if I go for repository, all repository, here something else here. Oh, sorry, the new repository should be here. 21 repositories. Yeah, here you see. So all my code is going here.
Okay.
You see the file Java SDET code JS and second line I added. Okay, till now I know little bit confused. Now I'm just going again. It will be clear. So I'm just adding a new line. Adding a new line here because it is adding a new line. New line. Okay. So now my file is changed. Right? If I put git status, it will saying there is a file, right?
Yeah.
Add because my file has been changed. So now I have to add the change in my git folder, .git folder. Okay. So how to do it? Add. So now write git status is green. Now we need to commit. So how can we commit? Then commit, put third commit. And commit. Now check, yeah, you see the main third commit, one file change. Now git status, nothing to commit. That means we add it and we commit it. Now what I have to do? In my local, everything is fine. So I just need to push here from here. That's it.
Git push.
Yeah, git push. Now git push. Then origin main. Git push origin main means এই যে আমার GitHub যে origin branch আছে, I have origin. This is origin and এই origin main branch. এই যে look main. Origin main. There is no other branch. This is origin repository and it has a main branch. Inside main branch, the code will be pushing. So origin main. You see the GitHub এত a location. Then main to main branch. This main branch is mirroring the remote main branch and everything what I have in the main branch. These things, the 4 files, all should be in my remote right now. If you refresh it, the net, you see, all things are here, the new line. Got it?
Yeah.
So, yeah, who didn't understand? Till now, if you understand, then fine. Then we have to work. What we did till now, we
So we
write.
understood the whole concept, but the thing is we have to do it by ourselves to
Yeah.
So
Just I just recap. So create a folder. We add a file, JavaScript file in this folder, and we make this folder git enable using using git in it. Then we add everything inside this folder to git, and we commit it. After commit it, this folder actually is ready to push in the origin as a remote. So the rule is you have to create a folder in your remote with same name, or you can put the defined name, or you can use the command I use later, just command. It will be create a folder automatically here and push all your code here. Then it will be connected. These things you don't need to again and again Now already is connected. So next time you don't need to connect. Next time just you need these 3 comments. So second time, fourth time you need git add. The second time you want to push something, you just need git add, then git commit, then git push. That's it. Git push origin. Main or what branch. Anyway, these 3 commands you need after that. The first time you need to set up. So you need additional command. This is one time setup. After that, this 3 is working. Is you need only these 3 commands. Okay, guys.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, check this video and follow this. Just a couple is very easy. Just try to understand. You should already understand why we need Git and GitHub. But you know, these commands sometimes it give you hard time. Normally, Git is very complicated. When you work, give lots of hard time. We have to resolve lots of things. This today is a connection related issue. Normally in office, you might get a connection or authentication related issue. You have to resolve it. But you have to know the.
Wait, can I share my screen for download the Git, because I have no Git.
Sure.
Uh,
I'm having the same issue, just like Mahfouz bhai.
Yeah, you guys don't. I think you guys don't have